Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Can't open anymore.
Rolling down the street in my old school whip, blew the brains out just to make the pain sick. Rims cleaned up, bass turned up, paint job clean. What up, y'all? Welcome back to another Whips by Blue video. This is part 2 of our rebuild and episode 3 of the Malibu series. So as y'all seen in the clip, I had to rent a damn U-Haul because neither one of these vehicles was big enough to fit our replacement, well, our damaged door to take back to get that core, and our replacement door, which I still got to clean up before, well, actually I'm gonna clean it up after we put it back on the car. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm gonna get that door cleaned up after we get it put here, installed back onto the Malibu and hooked up and functioning right. As y'all see, I got my little tarp and shit because it was raining for like 8 days straight. And we finally got some sunshine back out here, so you know I had to get back to work. Y'all should have seen me at the junkyard, man. Them fools was cooking me for bringing this up there, but I don't give a damn because it made my job easier and I didn't have to pay to rent one out. So $169 at Harbor Freight if you want it. This is what was it? An 8 cubic inch utility cart. This thing was a lifesaver. Cause imagine carrying that heavy ass door, which got to be at least 100 pounds, a mile up, 35 rows from the back to the front of that yard. Like, I don't think so. She is back uncovered, ready for parts. I forgot my battery's disconnected, so I can't even get into the trunk. But here go all our parts. We still got that inner door panel right there, the water barrier to go on the back of that door. We got our window I did save. We got our matching side mirror, and we got the speaker for the door in here too. So, and this is part of some molding or trim or whatever for the door frame. Back here we got our brand new headlight. Yes, this was a brand new headlight off another Malibu at the junkyard. And if y'all bought these before, man, $50 that I got it for was a steal. Alrighty, so I got all my tools here. I'm gonna try to set this camera up so you guys can see. Like, here go the bolts, your power, more bolts. So you guys can see me hook this door up from a better angle than I did last time. So let me get to that, man, and I'll be right back. So I was struggling with this door here. Damn it. As I was saying. So I was struggling to get this door panel back on. And once I did get it back on and put together, go to hit the Windows button, windows down and up, it was a no-go. So took everything back apart, as you can see here. And as soon as I got to feeling around down here, I noticed, where do my pieces go? These, for to hold the window up in there at the bottom. There go another one. So yeah, that's where they go. So I noticed those was gone. And sure enough, once I got this thing out, this was a used window motor and regulator that doesn't function. So took the window out. There's our original window. There's our window that came with the door panel. And I had to order a new window motor and regulator, nice and shiny. Also, I broke the original door handle that goes in right there. Trying to get this part off, and I end up popping this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, there we go. That little plastic piece right there. I ended up popping that shit off, so this wasn't securing in there like it's supposed to when you open the door. So I went back to the junkyard, got another one. Luckily they had the same color. Yep. And this one's all gravy, baby. So after we change out this regulator, put the new one in,
put the door panel back on. Then we can put that new handle on too. Door panel, handle, window motor and regulator. And then button all of this up. Because I was trying to bring this bitch through the top. So I took off all this trim. Which you don't have to do. So learn from my mistake. You don't have to mess with none of this. That's all of this gonna go right back on. And the fact, let me move it out the way. I'm just gonna dangle it over the side. I loosened all this up. I ain't watched no videos before this, so I was just going in. But now that I know how to get it on and off, it's gonna be quick and easy, hopefully. Alright. So let me set this camera up and I get this going. Alright, y'all, I got my new GoPro set up. Yeah, my other camera took a shit on me, so I got the new camera set up. Hopefully y'all can see better. It's a lot brighter and everything's smoother. What up, y'all? So back with this thing again. So as you guys can see, I got the new regulator and motor in right there. Thing bolted in. Bam. That's where all the bolts go. Only thing I have to do is get that get the window in, but when I got this door panel on, still wasn't getting no window action. The window still wasn't going up. I mean, this whole thing wasn't working at all still. So I go and replace the master switch, because I'm sure y'all was getting ready to say that too. Brand new master switch. And guess what? Still no driver's window. Nothing at all. I mean, it just clicked. So I got frustrated and pissed off with this car and went and did some homework. And according to the internet, I need to get up in here, this wiring harness right here, pop this out and check for damaged wires, because apparently this is a common pinch point where wires can get cracked and frayed. And like I said, you know, I ain't never did this before. It's my first time doing a window regulator and motor. Well, master switches, that's easy. I've did that before. And then this wiring shit, not my forte, but you know, I'm just gonna wing it like I've been doing everything else on this channel. So I'm gonna set the camera up, time lapse this, and let's try to get this out. Hopefully I don't have to take the whole door out again. Oh, and real quick before anybody get on my head, yes, I did check the fuses. Power window fuse right here. The only 20 amp in this under hood fuse box. And I did check the other one, just to show you. I already popped that sucker out. Oh shit, reminds me I need to go get that mug back. So the other fuse for the windows is right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. And I think this one is I forgot what size this one is. It's either a 20, 30, or 50, one of them. I left it in the house. Matter of fact, let me go get that. Here go the other one I popped out. And it's good still. Let me go get that other one before I forget. All right. Job turkey sucker. I told you I got it. So this is a 30 amp. Go right up in here. That's back. And no, it wasn't blown. Just want to check it. Put this 10 amp back up in there. All right, there we go. Now y'all can see. Put this fuse holder back in. There we go. All right, simple as that. And this is the BCM body control module that these other fuses. This is your second fuse panel. Third one's in the trunk, by the way, but I don't think we need that one. All right, make sure our 20 amp is back in there good. Don't think we need the best one under this. It wasn't the culprit. Just put it this way. Nope, I had it the first time. There we go. All right. I gotta find a way to get this camera up so y'all can see what I'm doing. I had to get that door off. But let's check this out together. Whew. Oh man. Yep. I already see a frayed wire right here. This purple joint. I'll find out what that go to. And there's some little markings on some of these on top. I know they said the main culprit though would be this yellow wire. And this shit got tape all on it. That's where it's going into the body. But oh yeah. So I mean, there's definitely a little bit of damage, but I don't see none cracked all the way through. Oh, let me check that out. Maybe we got some pin damage or something. It's hard to see. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but I'm gonna inspect this. I'm gonna try to get this boot off and get a closer look at these pins. So I'll be right back in a minute. All right, so I inspected these wires. These ones is good. These ones and the pin connector is good. Hopefully I can see that. I know this lighting suck out here, these shadows, but this side is good. So to the door is good. Like I said, we got fraying over here on this one that's going in the door. I popped this cover off, this kick panel off, just pried on it right there, and it came out pretty easy. So I'm digging around in here now. Fuck, I ain't got no lighting. Hold on, let me use my phone real quick, try to help y'all see. It ain't many videos on this, so I'm trying to be a help. But this one right here, I'm gonna pull on and try to get this baby out. So it'll pull this in and hopefully come out right here to where I can, you know, take all this tape off. I'm gonna check out the rest of these wires, man. So let me get that. Let me see. If I can set the camera up, I'll go ahead and record this. Oh, and real quick, these little gray things. Man, this lighting really sucks. But these little gray things right here, I believe they just like them little Christmas tree push tabs. And they just push into the body, or you can pop these open and get it out that way with a little flathead screwdriver. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Just wanted to show you that part too. Damn, this lighting suck. Oh, there you go. That's the fucker I'm trying to get out. And it might be two. Damn, that's how I got two. But I'm only after this one. I just figured this shit out. This motherfucker working. Okay. So, let me explain real quick. Because, like I said, I never did this before. And I'm literally was winging it, right? So, I believe where I left off, I told y'all I was getting this stuff out. Right here. Oh, here we go. This was the one that I was after. That goes into the door right here. Okay, so I just got that out, hooked this door back up. The door not hooked up to the car, I just got it leaning against here so that I could test some shit out. So after inspecting all the wires and stuff, like I said, there was a little bit of fraying on one, which was that purple one, but it didn't pinch the wires or nothing. So that door's good. I mean, this wiring is good. The wiring behind this door, I inspected all of it too. It was good. But hold on. This one's good. But this one right here though, this one was all melted and shit. I don't know if y'all can see that. I know these GoPros ain't got a good zoom, so just bear with me. But if you see all that little black shit, it's like these wires got hot and melted with this damn tape or covering or whatever. And this wiring harness is from the I believe this is from the old door, if I'm not mistaken. So that's junk. Throw this in the trash. That's junk along with the old regulator. And I went and got a new one exactly just like that. In fact, I got more than one. Where the hell the other one go? I got more than one. Oh shit, here we go right here. This the other one. So this one's from a 2012 Chevy Malibu. Yep, I did skip and run to the junkyard in between that clip. So this one's from a 2012. This one didn't work, but I'm not gonna throw it away. The one that I got in here now is from this exact same year as mine. So this one's from a 2012. Got it all hooked up, right? Alright. Got the switch in here also from the junkyard car. There's also a 2012. So hook those two up into my new door. And this panel was also off of that 2010. So all of this is from another car. A third car. Right? That's from the 2012. That's my old one from the original door. I kept it because I wanted to match with the rest of the interior. Alright. Check this shit out, y'all. Check him out. Get that key up in there. Alright. Let's see if I can get y'all up in here. I'm gonna be hitting the switches. Y'all gonna be watching. Alright. Damn. Look at that. We got action finally. Yes, sir. Finally got it working. Oh yeah. Do the other windows work? Yep, you see it. Down, back passenger. There you go. This one. Bam. Alright, so finally got all of them working. Now, I just need to get this window. And I got two of them. So I got two different options I can put up in here. Finally get this window bolted down. For those who don't know, hold on. There's bolts right there. There we go. There go the one. So there's one, and there's two. It's hard to see. There we go. One. Come on, camera. Two. Now that it's working, I can adjust this bitch however I want. Sit that window up in there. Zip these off. Or out as much as I can. Set the window in there. Bolt it back up. I'm gonna put this door panel back together. Actually, I gotta switch this panel out and put mine in there. I might just leave this one. Shit, fuck it. And then we should be good to go, man. And yeah, as you can see, I did have to take this door back off. So that part sucked, yeah. But it is what it is. I'm just happy I got this back working. One less headache. So yeah, let me set this up and I'll be right back with you. Alright, y'all. Finally finished this damn door. Got her fully installed on there. This one don't got a pinstripe or the chrome handle like this one, but hey, the most important part is that it works. Camera cut off when I was working in here, but I did get everything put together inside where all the wires is connected. You know what I'm saying? We got all our hinges, wiring harness, everything back together. The kick panels and all that tucked back away. Got our door panel back on, looking good. Got our window back in from the old car. I took the wiring harness and the switch off of that door, put it into here. So now I'm about to take this brand new switch I bought yesterday, get my damn $30 back, because I don't need it anymore. That's just the old door handle I replaced. And the extra switches, or brackets for that. So got our mirror attached back on, battery hooked back up. Go ahead, where the keys at? Show y'all everything working and functioning like normal, man. Alright. Let's see, one touch auto. Bam. Gotta hold it to go back up, though. Passenger window. That window working. This window working. Yeah, man. We back in the game. We is back in the game. So, that's gonna wrap up this video. And my next coming video, we're gonna be attacking this radiator right here that need to come out. It's got a mysterious leak somewhere that was coming from the bottom. It ain't leaking right now because all the fluid done leaked out already. So next video we're gonna be knocking that out. I already got the brand new one. Got all our old parts and shit. Throw this in the pile. And here we go, some more junk. I don't need this either. In the pile like that boy V-Core said. I got an extra spare window too, so if anybody need a driver's side window for 2008 through 2012, driver's side Malibu, I got you. I gotta go, y'all. I'm ready to take this back and get my money back. So I'll holler. Peace.
Rolling down the street in my old school whip, blew the brains out just to make the paint sick. Rims cleaned up, bass turned up, paint job clean.